Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part two. If you didn't watch part one, you might be a little bit confused. We're trying to make a macro to make the outline a certain percent of line. Matter of fact, I draw everything in Hairline, so I'm going to start off with a Hairline. Then you're going to go to Windows, Dockers, and open up your History Docker. And the most important thing you do is erase this. Erase your history, because you've already got a font on there you like. And then this is really simple. Click on your item, go down here to this pen tool, and we're going to pick that 1/2 inch. That's too much even for that. Let's pick 0.1. Nah, let's go 0.25. And then make sure you have scaled with object turned on when you write the macro, and then hit OK. That's all you have to do, and then save this. I've already erased the other one, so I'm going to just call this outline 1 and hit OK. Then let's back up here and get our outline. And then let's go to Tools, Scripts or Macros, depending on what version you have, Scripts. And there's our outline 1 right there. Just double click on it. And this is what's neat. Now it's the same thickness. Well, it's not the same thickness, but it's in proportion to the font because we scaled with objects. So you need to make sure you don't use this one up here, because I don't think scale with object can be gotten up here, but it can be gotten down here. So the same thing, we can back up here and see we don't need our history anymore. And then, like always, we can right click and assign a keyboard stroke. That's our macro right there. And let's just go alternate 1, because that way you can have different thicknesses and assign it. And then OK. Now I'm just going to hit alternate 1. And it made that outline that thickness that we wanted. And you could have a thickness, we made that 1/4 inch. You could have it a 1/2 inch or, 0.1 of an inch, and you could number it whatever you wanted. And as long as you kept those in your head, they'll work. It's not that big a deal, but it is kind of fun building macros and learning how to macro. But like I said in the first video, it just won't work for a text. You have to turn it into a curve. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.